Hi. I already pushed the button.
Yeah? So did I.
Yeah, I saw that, but I already pushed it, so you really didn't need to.
No?
Nope.
There. Just in case.
Just in case. Just in case of what? The light clearly indicates that the button has already been pressed. Pressing it again does not make the elevator come faster or make your call more urgent or prioritize you over all the other people waiting for the elevator.
It doesn't?
No, it doesn't.
I think it does.
That's ridiculous.
I think that every time I push this button, it calls the elevator faster. With more urgency.
Ow!
Recalibrating the priority.
You cannot be serious.
See? It worked.